again. Today we sailed from Vordingborg to, we don't know yet. The first plan was Langø, but the weather was a bit clouded. It was very cold, very cold. Yesterday we were in our, how do you say that, the swimming trunk, drinking a beer in the hot sun, and we left. I had 2 pairs of socks, 3 coats, 1 cap, 2 sunglasses, 2 pieces of hand gloves, 2 shoes, 2 pair of shoes, and my boots over the shoes, and still it was cold. Okay, the shallow water, very well. 160 one time, but it went okay. I think they put away the shallow waters for us especially. And so it was cold. The wind was right on the nose. We put the mainsail up and we tried to beat the wind. Went okay. Then the wind drops a little bit, about 60 knots, with gusting 18, 19 knots. We put out the Genoa. When we put out Genoa, of course, there was wind force 6, 21 knots. And it was when we took it a little bit in, reefing the Genoa, wind was gone, 13 knots. Okay, Genoa out. And in the distance, we saw blue sky coming. Yeah, it's nice, but no wind. Look, from doing 7 knots and almost 8 knots through the water, we are now 3.8 through the water with the current in our back. Yeah, 1 knot of current. We're doing 3.6. Wow, hold tight. So we are discussing what to do. Femo is long way. On our right side here, there's Langø. There's a harbor that's called Spjotsberg. We've been there already. So, should we do it again? Tomorrow there's a lot of wind. From a sailor point of view, we go to Spjotsberg. Tomorrow we go to Bakenkop and we have Beam Ridge. We have Beam Ridge on the side of the land. Sailing view, it's good sailing. But on the other side, on our port side, there's a little town called Langø. 4 weeks at Denmark, Langø. It's a very small town, village, and a small harbor, and a very small entrance. So we discuss Langø, Spjotsberg, or even further to Bakenkop. How do you pronounce it? I don't know. About yesterday. We shall see where we're going. I think we will be motoring. No problem, motoring. About yesterday. I am following for more than a year a Danish guy who is sailing here all over the place. He films everything, and so I can see what I can expect from Denmark. I looked at his movies, his films, and I told him I'm in Holland and I'm leaving right now to Germany and I'm coming to Denmark. He said, if you're coming to Denmark, we're gonna drink rum. So I said, be prepared, we are coming. Okay, we went to the left side and Aarhus and Anholt, and we went to the east side from Denmark to Copenhagen. And then I saw his vlog, he was coming to Copenhagen. So we said, maybe we can meet each other. Okay, you know how it is with videos. You put them online 3 days later or 1 week later. So I didn't know exactly where he was and which direction he was going. I was yesterday in the harbor and I saw a guy and I thought, I know this guy, but I don't know anybody in Denmark. And he looked at me and I looked at him. Hey, it's Mick from Blotunge, when I pronounce it right. And I thought it called Blue Tongue, but he explained to me what the name is all about. It's a very good name. It's a sort of a Viking name. And I think when you're Danish, you have Viking blood. You must have a good name for your ship. So everybody get out of the way when Blotunge is coming. He has a sword, a Viking sword. Okay, we talked a lot, drink something, very nice guy, super, and we went home, nice evening, and now we're here. Maybe he's coming next year to Holland, and I will help him out to find a nice place in Holland. Okay, by the way, you can say Holland or Netherlands. Somebody on YouTube said, yeah, you can offend somebody. No, not me. I'm not a Holland guy, I'm from Utrecht. That's totally different. But when the soccer game is going on, everybody shouts, Holland, Holland. So, Holland or the Netherlands, Holland. Yeah, that's about everything I want to say. The wind is gone. It's totally hot. In half an hour, a jacket off, another jacket, and another jacket, and a sweater, and still have one t-shirt on. The boots came off, the other pair of shoes came off. I have one pair of shoes on. All the gloves I had are gone. Yeah, maybe the t-shirt is next. Okay, Alice, we start in the motors. Motor the engine.
Yeah.
Take off the towels, put the towels away. You're doing nothing. The sheets. They're looking like sheets. There's a little bit wind. They're not flapping around. But for me it's not nice sailing like this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the videos. You don't have to push the button. We don't have a Patreon. So you don't do nothing. But if you like it, of course, you are thumbs up or comment. If you have some comment, please do. If you have shitty comments, please do. Nice, always nice.
So we arrived at Langø. Looks nice.